Madonna's blessings and more blessings to you all. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Please remember to hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Okay? Alright, so today dinner is brown stew fish, gongo rice and peas, and mashed sweet potato. Let's dive into the ingredients. This is the green gongo. This is some sliced blue fish. That's the rice I'm going to use. Some sweet potato, carrot, onion, tomato, bell pepper, scallion, thyme. I'm just going to use lettuce today. I'm not going to make that big fancy, um, you know. So first I get some water in that pot and I'm just going to add the gungu. I'm going to just season it up right now with the coconut milk. So if you all know, you know I like to use the custard to make my rice and peas because it give it that natural coconut taste. And I also use a powder. So I'm just going to add this to the pot, which is the coconut cream. I said custard before, but it's coconut cream. Then I'm going to add a little Maggi all-purpose, scallion, thyme, pimento, some salt, and I'm just going to put that on the fire and let it boil. I also want to add an onion, a whole onion into this pot. So I'm going to just put that on the fire and let it boil. Then I'm going to get the season prep for the fish. So in this prep, I'm going to cut up scallion, thyme, onion, tomato, bell pepper, and some garlic. So these are the seasoning that I'm preparing. So you know the different color bell pepper and seasoning, it give your pot a pretty color. So I like to use different color stuff, you know what I mean? I also want to add a little piece of the other onion. So now I'm peeling the sweet potato, guys, and I haven't seasoned the fish yet. So after this, I'm going to season the fish. So peeling all these sweet potato because I am going to make that sweet potato mashed potato with the sweet potato. Then I'm going to just boil some coconut milk to add into the mashed potato. So how I do the mashed potato, because you're not going to be able to see everything. So let me just explain how I did the mashed potato. So I boil the mashed potato, let it boil some coconut milk. So a lot of people might use box milk or, you know, whatever milk they use in their mashed potato. I like to use the coconut milk. So I'm adding some garlic to the fish. So as I said, just use I boil the coconut milk and use that to mash the potato. Now I'm just going to season my meat. My battery is dying, guys, so don't mind the card. It's not in my food. It's away closer to you than me. So I'm seasoning the fish with just some Maggi all-purpose. That's it. I'm not gonna put a lot. I don't put a lot of seasoning on my fish, but I'll just rub it up with some Maggi and let it stay. Just a few minutes. You know, fish is not something that need a lot to taste good. It's not easy. Like fish is something easy to cook. So I'm getting the pot ready for the fish. Yeah. So I kind of make the garlic fry in the oil and the pepper. So I just washed the rice and put it in the pot because you know it's green gungo and it's easy to cook. I add a pepper just now because I like to put the pepper when I add in the rice. Tell me why this fish skin up like this. I don't get it. Okay, so the potato is boiled, guys. I don't know, some of them kind of dark because they're in the fridge for a minute. So I boil a can of coconut milk and I'm just going to add that in there. And I also add like a half stick of butter. Normally I like to use, can't believe it's not butter, but I didn't have any, so I just use a half a stick of butter, regular butter. There it is. But because it was in the bottom of the container, I didn't get to show you that the butter was there. But I want to put the butter in the bottom so the potato could melt it, you know. But guys, when I tell you this is delicious, I add a little salt to it when it was boiling. And that's it for my mashed potatoes. Sometimes I'll just put some mixed vegetable in there too, but today, no, not doing that. Okay, so I'm adding some coconut milk to the pot because I'm going to make the fish gravy right now. I don't know what's going on with this pot and this fish. I have to change the pot. But I'm trying to hurry up because I was trying to make sure I finish before 11 o'clock. So I just add a little bit of Maggi to that and I add the carrot and stuff. Right, now I'm adding the seasoning because it's boiling. Trying to turn these fish, but for some reason they're breaking apart. So all the pot are on the fire and I'm finished mashing this potato and just put it away. Look at prettiness, then look at ugliness. Okay, just kidding. Okay, so the rice is actually finished, you guys. So I just clean it up, pick out all the thyme, the scallion, the onion, everything that needed to go. Yeah, just take them out. Rice is shelly and nice. I like to clean up my rice right after I am done cooking it. Before I start sharing, my rice should be cleaned. No time supposed to going into plates and all that stuff. But the food is done. Yeah, so I finally get the fish out and some of them are break up and then I just add it to the gravy and that's it. I don't do much because my rice and peas, it does not need gravy. So I didn't make a lot of gravy. Just a little bit. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like it. Please remember to hit that like button because you guys not hitting the like button as if you don't like my video. I don't know why. But anyways, thank you so much if you reach this far. I appreciate that. That's the mashed potato. This is the finishing. And that's my dinner. I am going to eat right now. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Tell me what you want me to cook in the comment of this video. God bless and have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.